So in today's lesson we are learning to understand what the Colosseum was used for. Let's complete our word wizard for our new key word, settle. When people settle in a place, they start living there permanently. If you settle yourself somewhere or settle somewhere, you sit down or make yourself comfortable. What letter does our new key word start with? Can you think of a word that rhymes with settle? How many syllables are in the word settle? Can you say the key word to your partner? Use the key word in a sentence. Here's my example. The Romans chose to settle in York. Let's have a quick recap. What do you already know about the Colosseum? Think back and reflect on our first 3 lessons. Attending the Colosseum was a huge part of ancient Roman life. Can you imagine why? The Colosseum was a great source of entertainment for the Roman people. Ancient Romans liked to have fun, but they had a very different concept of fun to the way we amuse ourselves nowadays. Can you imagine life with no internet, no TV, no PlayStations? For example, they enjoyed watching people fight against lions. They were also amused by watching gladiators fight to death. The Colosseum in Rome is the largest amphitheater ever built. It had seating for 55,000 people. That's as big as the Anfield football stadium in Liverpool. The best place, the podium, or tribune, was reserved for the emperor and his family, as well as for the senators. Here you can see an example of the Colosseum seating plan, with the most important people sitting at the bottom and those viewed as less important at the top. Senators sat right at the bottom, followed by important officials. In the middle, citizens and soldiers were seated, and right at the top were women and slaves. The Emperor and the Senate. The Emperor controlled the Roman Empire and had a very luxurious life with the best of everything. He was advised by the Senate, which was a group of men, the senators, made up of the wealthy upper class from powerful families. Being a senator was a very prestigious and highly respected position. That's why they sat in the podium along with the emperor and his family. They also held the position for the rest of their lives. Gladiators is one example of entertainment provided at the Colosseum. Gladiators were slaves or prisoners who were forced to fight until death against each other or against beasts. Sometimes, if audience requested it and the highest authority agreed, their lives were spared as a reward for fighting heroically. So for your task today, I would like you to research gladiators using the attached sheet. Find out what is a gladiator, what did they wear, where did they fight, why did Romans want to become gladiators, how did gladiators train, and note down any other interesting facts that you find out. If you have enjoyed researching the gladiators, then you might enjoy watching the YouTube video which I have linked in the PowerPoint. It goes into detail about some of the gruesome, horrible things that happened in the Colosseum. Enjoy!